Good day, everyone. We are the Group 6. Our title is Acceptability of Bread Bun Quality Incorporating Blueberry, Honey, and Powderized ampalaya leaves as added ingredients and bread buns. It is presented by De La Cruz Maybel Amor, Barreras Charmesh Elise, Mendoza Feby Dayan, Padin Mary Joyce Ann, Sumook Mary Joy, Nahi Mary Grace, Inut Genesel, and Adigi Joanne from Bitibited Corby. So first, we have here the introduction. Introduction of the bread buns. Bread bun is the small bread that we are usually and basically we see in the market and other bakeries. It is usually has a round shape and bread bun served as a meal accompaniment and can be eaten plain or with butter and also with bread spread. Many people love to eat bread buns as a second option in the rice as a meal. And also, bread buns are also substituted rice as a meal. Bread buns has a lot of ingredients and it has a lot of benefits into the human bodies. Next is introducing innovative products using ampalaya leaves powder, blueberry, and honey into the bread buns. Researchers come up with the new product of bread buns by incorporating the three variables which are ampalaya leaves powder, blueberry, and honey to enhance the taste and add more nutrients into the bread buns. Researchers want to discover the potential of these three ingredients to create and produce the nutritious bread buns.
So next is the nutritional value of ampalaya leaf powder, blueberry, and honey in a bag. So the ampalaya leaf powder and the blueberry honey is extra healthy, especially for the belly for controlling the blood sugar levels in the body. The purpose of this study is to determine the flexibility of our applicability of ampalaya bread. Included in our study would be information regarding the applicability of the bread buns, incorporating on the blueberry honey and powderized ampalaya as added ingredients in bread buns. As an innovative research, that would be the combination of the development of conventional products.
Control model for preparation of bread bun with powdered ampalaya leaf, honey, and blueberry. The input consists of ampalaya leaf, blueberry, honey, kitchen tools and equipment, and ingredients in making bread bun. The process consists of preparation of bread bun with ampalaya leaf, blueberry, honey, and in three different proportions, while the output is bread buns with blueberries, honey, and ampalaya leaf. Incorporating blueberry, honey, and powderized ampalaya leaves into bread bun can be a creative and flavorful addition. Blueberries add a burst of sweetness, honey brings its natural sweetness and fragrance, while powderized ampalaya leaves can introduce a unique and potentially helpful element to the bun. And this is the second figure for conceptual framework, which is conceptual model for the evaluation of acne and added ingredients in bread bun. For the hint is acceptability of bread quality, incorporating the blueberry, honey, and ampalaya leaves. And we need the respondent, which is 40 FSM students and MPT faculty to create a survey or output for this one. The process is validation of questionnaire and administration and retrieval of questionnaire and statistical treatment of data. And last is analysis and interpretation of data. And for the output is acceptability of bread quality, incorporating blueberry, honey, and ampalaya leaves as added ingredients in bread bun. This is for product improvement. So as is if we conduct a survey or a questionnaire from our respondent, we can know the result if it is good to add the honey, blueberry, and ampalaya leaves to create a bread bun.
So I'm Jason Padin assigned major themes and suggestions. The researcher has a basis Like the bitter garlic or ampalaya is an important vegetable which has been used to control blood glucose or blood sugar levels. Based on Muhammad A. and Shirley, year of 2023, and literature of Krishna, year of 2023, entitled Improving Blueberry Fruit Nutritional Quality Through Psychological and Genetic Interventions. Blueberry rare or called as an antioxidant superfood is the fruit is small shrub in the genus or familiarity case.
So, according to Said Samarganjan, 2010, any evidence suggests the use of honey in the control and treatment of wounds, diabetes, mellitus cancer, asthma, and also cardiovascular, neurological, and gastrointestinal disease. According to CK and Gore, 2023, honey is unique food owing to its rich composition.
For the SOU, what is the level of acceptability of bread buns with powderized ampalaya leaves, honey, berry, as evaluated of 40 FSM students and 10 FSM professors based on the following criteria: appearance, texture, taste, aroma. The method that we will use is survey questionnaire. To gather data, inform these decisions, collect feedback, support research, and track changes over time, making them valuable tools for making data-driven decisions and improving process. In analysis, into the method of using survey questionnaire and analyze to come up with the survey data such as numerical responses such as ratings, counts, percentage, and scores would help identify trends, makes comparisons. For the SOP2, is there a significant difference in the evaluation of two groups respondents on balance with powderized ampalaya leaves, honey, and blueberry? There are For the methods, there are two methods. First is with mean. When different values in your data set having varying levels of importance of frequency, it gives more influence some values based on their assigned weights, leading to more accurate and representative average for data with unequal significance or occurrence. The second method is ANOVA, to determine if there are significant difference between the means of three or more groups. It tests whether the observed variations between group mean or greater than variations within each group, helping to identify whether different conditions or treatments have distinct effects. To analyze the methods, um, representing the corresponding weights, this method gives more importance to value with the weighted average or higher rate. And for the ANOVA, it gives the analysis of p-value. The statistic compares the variance between groups, means the variance within the group. And
And for the statement of the problem of number 3, what are the comments and suggestions given by the respondents so far the group study? The methods is also survey questionnaires and the analysis of survey data. And that's our research proposal which entitled the acceptability of bread bun quality incorporating blueberry, honey, and powderized ampalaya leaves as added ingredients in bread bun.